Today we are going to learn how you can use if function in Excel. What is if function? If function runs a logical test and returns one value for a true result and another value for a false result. As you can see on screen, we have three examples. First example, second example, and third example. We are going to apply if function one by one on these three examples. So coming to the first example, commission computation. The question is, if sales are in excess of budget, then multiply the excess amount by the commission percentage, otherwise 0. So we are going to type if formula in cell C7, which is commission. We need commission amount, so we are going to type equal to if bracket open logical test. What is our logical test? So our question is, if sales are in excess of budget, then multiply the excess amount by the commission percentage, otherwise 0. So logical test is, if C4 is greater than 0, comma. This is our logical test. Value if true is the second step of if formula. What is value if true? If C4 is greater than 0, then value if true is multiply C4 with commission percentage, which is C6, comma. And what if value is false? Then type 0, close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, we have a result of 0. That means the excess sales is not greater than 0. So that's how you can apply if function. Coming to the second example, as you can see, regions and sales are available in this table, and the question is, calculate average if all 4 region values are given. If any value is missing, then place blank in it. There are 3 steps in this question. First, calculate average. Second, all region values are given. Third, if any value is missing, then place blank in it. So when we apply if function, first we need logical test. And what is logical test in our question? Second, all region values are given. This is our logical test. So let's start with the formula equal to if. How are we going to apply logical test? All regions values are given. We are going to apply count formula, bracket open, select the cells of sales, bracket close, equal to 4. As you can see, we have 4 regions, then count must be equal to 4. We place comma. Value if true. If our count is equal to 4, then calculate average, which is our first requirement of this question. To calculate average, we are going to apply average formula in value if true. Average, select the sales column, bracket close. We need the average of sales, comma. Value if false. This is the third step of our question. If any value is missing, then place blank in it. So how are we going to place blank if the values in region are missing in any cell? We are going to type inverted commas and close the bracket and press enter. So this is the result, blank. Why? In this table, in West region, there is no sales, and the demand of our question is calculate average if all 4 region values are given. As you can see, there is one missing, so that's why blank in total, because one region value is missing. So that's the second example. So coming to the third example, you can see the balance sheet in this table, and the question is write a formula in B23 that shows OK if the balance sheet is in balance and error if not. So we type formula if in cell B23 equal to if bracket open. What is our logical test? The assets is equal to liabilities and equality. This is our logical test. Value if true. Value if true, we need OK. When you are going to type text in if function, first you type inverted comma, then text, and after the text again inverted comma. Value if false, error, then again you type inverted commas, error, and inverted commas again, and press enter. Now you see the result is OK, because the balance sheet balance is equal. For example, I change the equity balance 100 to 200. Now you see the balance sheet balance is not equal, and we see the error in in cell B23. So that's how you are going to apply if function with multiple and several examples. More than one condition can be tested by nesting if function. I hope you understand it. Please like this video, press the bell icon for more updates, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.